हाँ थैंक यू। नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैं तुमने बोलूंगा इनमें। हाँ
Just a minute, where Priya hai?
so
We will start
so
just
sir, shall we wait for others?
2 and 3 minutes. I think.
Okay, okay, no problem. नहीं आता मैं शेयर रखने के लिए एक मिनट था। Rafiq sir,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Just a minute. Just a minute.
can you please stop sharing your screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you sir.
Thank you.
Sir, kindly enable me to share my screen. Rafiq sir.
Just a minute, ma'am. Just a minute. Just.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay sir,
I-
thank you. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Just a minute. We are starting. Vaidya? Okay. Welcome and good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Now, Yes. First of all, uh, I want to. I am audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. First of all, I want to introduce our resource person, Dr. Priya Vaidya. After that, we will start sessions.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you and welcome, dear participants. We are delighted to introduce Ms. Dr. Priya Vaidya, a passionate scholar who has recently completed her doctorate studies in library information science from Aligarh University. Under the guidance of the Professor P.M. Naushad Ali, with the remarkable academics background and extensive research expertise, Ms. Vaidya has emerged as a distinguished individual in her field. Throughout her academic journey, Vaidya has demonstrated exceptional dedications and achieved numerous accolades as a senior research fellow supported by the University Grant Commissions. She has been recognized for her outstanding contributions. She was honored as a gold medalist and received a PG Merit Scholarship in Department of Library Information Science. Dr. Priya Vidya research interests encompass various facts of the field, include of assessment of the service quality, qualitative research, library management, bibliometric meta-analysis studies, and trends in ICT. Her wide-ranging expertise reflected a deep commitment to exploring an advanced field in the library information science. In addition to her academic achievement, Vaidya has gained valuable practice experience. She served as a library intern and subsequently appointed as the semi-professional assistant on the leave vacation Maulana Azad Library in Aligarh. So I request Dr. Vidya kindly deliver her lecture. Ji ma'am.
Thank you so much, Rafiq sir. And you have spoken too much about me. Thank you for that. Thank you for introducing me. And I welcome all the participants who have joined today. Thank you so much for joining in the deep dive workshop of 5 days, which is entitled as AI and Digital Tools for Academic Research and Plagiarism Detection. So without any further delay, do you remember who is he? So in today's session, we will first dive into the basics of AI, right? Like understanding the role of AI in various academic domains. Now AI has become a talk of the town, and everyone is using or utilizing means and methods to execute their respective tasks. So when we talk about the role of AI in various academic domains, we become puzzled and we become chaotic and do not understand which application is best for our own task. So these are just a few examples which I am sharing today with you all, and with many free tools also that educators as well as students can use it and explore the applications of AI in education and in further domains. So did you remember who is he? Anyone from the participant? This is my first question. Okay, so let me tell you that he is the father of artificial intelligence and a British mathematician. His name is Alan Turing, right? So he has founded the field of artificial intelligence around the 1950s, and he invented machines that intercepted codes during World War II. And he had helped us a lot, citizens of British community helped a lot in fighting the World War II. Now Alan Turing, he has been credited with shortening World War II and saving many lives. So moving forward, he is Alice Zhang, and she is an inventor focused on defeating diseases through her organization known as genomics. Her inventions use artificial intelligence and machine learning to develop medicine for complex diseases. And she is currently focused on combating ALS and Parkinson's. These are the most prominent diseases which are prevailing in nowadays. So if we talk about the AI timeline, so in 1915, you can see from this slide that Alan Turing proposed the Turing test as a measure of machine learning, and it's still used today to determine a machine's ability to think like a human, right? So the founder of the field of artificial intelligence is Alan Turing. He has invented machines that intercepted codes during World War II, and he has been credited with shortening World War II and saving many lives. So the first inventor we want to profile is relevant to AI because he is widely believed to have invented it. And on this slide, we will talk about his amazing inventions. So as per the history of AI was coined by John McCarthy in 1956. He defined AI as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. So the fundamental premise of AI is that it can create machines that can intelligently think in the same way or similar way that humans think. It is designed to acquire knowledge or awareness from its environment, its circumstances, and entities by learning. So this is all about AI timeline from 1950s to 1955, then 61, then 64, then 66, and then we can say in 2000 from 2002 to 2016, it has introduced many groundbreaking inventions into the field of AI as well as ML, right? So moving forward, now now it's our turn that how we can contribute to our society, to our community, and now how we can innovate, how we can introduce the innovative approaches in our education field as well as in our research field. So it's a challenge, and I'm the one that who is very much passionate to introduce very innovative approaches, and wanted you all to think in a different way, like out of the box. So moving forward, what is artificial intelligence? So we are now moving into the learning content. This title slide shows us that it is the time for educators and for the learners to get ready to learn about what the AI is, right? So I have again few questions for you. That what do you think of when you hear the words artificial intelligence? Anyone? Or do you think you have used artificial intelligence already today? Yes, amazing, Joel. Thank you so much. I'm also seeing the chat box. He has already replied that Alan Turing was that person that was that amazing personality. So, according to me, artificial intelligence, we are using the artificial intelligence in our daily life. Like when we are going to Google something, right? What is the weather today? So there are some recommendations which are suggesting us in advance that you are suggesting this word or you are suggesting this phrase. So Google in various search engines like Microsoft Bing, like Google's, all are recommending the different suggestions, different phrases to us, like what we are searching. So this is also the artificial intelligence, and we don't know that what we are typing. We just type in, and it just recommended us that are you typing this? So it is recommending to us that this is the suggestion that you are seeking for. So this is the AI, right? So artificial intelligence is an attempt to make a computer or a robot or other piece of technology think and process data in the same way as humans do. So here we define that there are plenty of definitions, although of AI, but in today's context, we use the artificial intelligence in education and in other domains also, just to explore, just to let us know, just to let us create an energy or that plethora that the concept of AI is not new. It has come around in 1950s, and it is the process to think and to process the data in the same way as we humans do. So artificial intelligence is the artificial, you already can see from this, you already can derive the meaning that artificial intelligence means there is no human touch. Already the intelligence is inbuilt in the artificial format. So the human touch is always required when we are doing any searches, or when we are doing any article writing, and when we are doing any type of research. So another question for you, that artificial as we said, as I said, that artificial intelligence is an attempt to make a computer, a robot, or other piece of technology think and process data in the same way as we humans do. So what elements of human intelligence do you think could be done by a computer, robot, or piece of technology? Okay, so if we are having difficulties of thinking of things, so we could model this with the following prompts, like as humans, we learn things like how to play the guitar, or how to drive a car. So could a computer learn? We make decisions like when it is safe to cross the road. So could a machines do this? No. So we remember the things like faces, names of our friends, and so could a piece of technology do this? No. The answer is there is complete power in humans that it can transfer it to the machines, and can create an amazing changes to the field of information science as well as artificial intelligence. So these are the few elements of artificial intelligence. And on this slide, we look further into the elements of intelligence and question which of these a computer may be able to do. So the reasoning is the mental process. It is the mental process of deriving logical conclusion and making predictions from available knowledge, facts, and beliefs. Or we can say that reasoning is a way to infer facts from existing data. Now the learning, what is learning? The acquisition of knowledge or skills. In everyday life, we are learning each and every parameter to move forward and to do excel in our respective domains. Now the next parameter is the next element is the problem solving. So it derives from the reasoning capability as well as our learning capability. Means we are finding solutions to difficult or complex issues. Now if we move forward, then here comes the our perception matters a lot. We are aware of something through our own senses. Everyone perception is different. Like you think that the human intelligence is far better than the artificial intelligence, or somebody's perception is that the artificial intelligence can do the best in comparison to the human intelligence. So it is our perception, and these are all the elements of artificial intelligence. Now as we are living in the multilingual country, right, we are speaking different languages, and we are communicating in different tones. So this is the linguistic intelligence. So it contains the ability to write and speak language. So whenever we are supposed to write something, we take the help of the artificial method. Like we in Microsoft Word, there is a functionality, there is a speech and functionality where we can just record our voice, and the it automatically transcribe our tone or words, and it automatically write down what we are speaking. So it is linguistic intelligence is all embedded in the latest technology, in all the technologies we are using in our mobile phones, as well as in our iPads, or as well as in our laptops. So these are the few elements of artificial intelligence, and these intelligence is completely made up of reasoning, learning, problem solving, perception, and linguistic intelligence, right? Now, if we move forward, then we can see that AI for good categories. So many organizations like tech organizations, which means who are working in the field of education as well as in the field of technology. So these organizations are focused on making a difference in the world with AI in these five categories. If we are speaking broadly, then the AI is working in these five categories. Means AI for Earth, AI for cultural heritage, AI for accessibility, AI for humanitarian action, AI for health. Why I am discussing all these points today in this workshop, in the first day of workshop, because we are having four more days in which we can deep dive into the other tools which we are using in our education, which we are using in our learning process, day to day learning process, and which we are using in our research work. So in today's lecture, I will be discussing about these categories in detail, and I will be showing you few videos which are really groundbreaking, as well as eye opener, as well as an eye opener for everyone. So that and after watching that videos, you can realize that AI is pervasive in nature. We all are using AI in different modes and different techniques. So in this context, Microsoft is one of the organization which is very much passionate about using AI to make a difference in the world. Their efforts to do this are broken into five AI for good categories, and this slides gives an overview of these before we look at each of them in little more detail. These AI education software development has revolutionized traditional learning methods, from mobile digital courses to online references and virtual classrooms. So it's high time to talk about the applications and benefits of AI applications development in the education market and also in other domains. So when we talk about the AI for Earth, so we start with the AI for Earth, where Microsoft is putting cloud and AI tools in the hands of those working to solve global environmental challenges. This will, of course, be a great category for learners as well as for educators who are passionate about concepts such as climate change, animals, food production, and biodiversity. So this may also be a category that we can focus on as an educator, as a learner of specific subjects, for example, geography or biology or anything. So in this regard, moving forward, this is the short video. So we have seen that from this video that AI is capturing each and every moment of every species, like in every country, in every area, in every region. So moving forward, the next category is the AI for cultural heritage, and here the other tech companies like Microsoft and other app inventive is leveraging the power of AI to empower people and organizations dedicated to the preservation and enrichment of cultural heritage. So this is again a great category for all of us who are passionate about preserving language, art, and indigenous traditions. If you wanted to focus on this category as an educator, this could align well with history or language classes. So let me ask one question that in which field, in from which different domains you belongs to. Please, you can unmute yourself and you can answer me that from which different domains you are participating in this today's workshop.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah,
Hello, ma'am. Myself, Rashmi Ranjan.
Rashmi Ranjan. Hi. Hello, Rashmi Ranjan. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine. Ma'am, I belongs to Central University of South Bihar. I am a research scholar from Department of Environmental Science.
Great. So in environmental sciences also there is an importance. The researcher in the field of environmental sciences can realize the importance of climate change. They are doing the research regarding the climate change because recently in as we are moving as we are achieving the SDG goals, Sustainable Development Goals 2030, and to attain that SDG goals, we are researching different domains, and we are introducing different technologies into that particular domain to understand what is the concept behind everything. So we can analyze, we can leverage the power of AI to empower people and to empower organization. Thank you, Rashmi. Thank you for responding. Thank you for
Thank you,
unmuting
ma'am.
yourself. Thank you. So this is the another category in which AI is helping a lot for in different domains. So this is the AI for cultural heritage. Now if we moving forward, then we can also see that from this video that the another area that that is tapping in the cultural heritage, in preserving the cultural heritage. Okay, thank you. So from So from this video, I just wanted to let you know that the different tech companies and Microsoft, since we are using all the products of Microsoft, like we are using the Microsoft Office, in which we are highly using the Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, And if we talk about the web browser, so we use we are frequently use we are the frequent users of Microsoft Edge also. So from this video I just wanted to let you know that the accessibility feature is also there from where we can understand the different languages. Let me share one of my experience, a recent experience, that I received a comment in Spanish language, right? I received a comment on LinkedIn in Spanish language, but I don't know how, I don't know the Spanish language. So what I did, I just simply go into the Microsoft Word, and in that Microsoft Word, there is one option which I will show you how to translate any language to our own language, to our own native language. So I just copy it and paste it in the Microsoft Word document, and it simply translates what the content has written in that particular message. So in this way I use the accessibility feature, which is also there in the Microsoft Word, and also in other tools also. We need not to use different tools, different third party tools, because in our laptops, in our daily lives, everyone is using Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. And in all these features, in all these applications, there are the n number of applications, n number of functionalities through which we as a researcher, we as a teacher, we as a professional can solve any of the issue, can analyze, can recognize which language is this. So from this video I just wanted to let you know that we have the AI feature in all the applications. Now, the third category is the AI for humanitarian action. So here again, leveraging AI to support disaster recovery, address the needs of children, displaced people, and promote human rights. So this is again the potentially a great match for geography, economics, social sciences, politics, and even science classes, if you are looking to go deeper on this category. So this is this is another again the next category in which the AI has leveraged and harnessed its power. So moving forward, next category is the AI for accessibility. So in this different edtech companies is working with people who are dedicated to making the world more accessible. So if you are looking to go deeper on to this category, this could be a good fit into the human biology, physics, and a range of other science subjects. So accessibility feature is there in the web browser as well as in the application, in different software applications. Now this is the again video which I am not playing because I just wanted to give you a hands-on that particular functionality, which we can leverage from by using different tools like different research tools as well as different digital tools. Now the last category is the AI for health. So if we move AI for health, which is where the ethic different organizations is working to harness harness in powerful tools for health equity. Specifically, this is helping to combat diseases, share health understandings, increase access to healthcare, and invest in research efforts. So for those educators or for those professionals wanting to go deeper on this particular category, this may also align well into biology, chemistry, and other science subjects. So AI for health, and recently from since year 2020, where the novel coronavirus has outbreak in all over the country, all over the world, in which the AI has played an inevitable role in solving the health issues as well as in solving the different communicating issues also. So AI is inbuilt, AI is pervasive in nature. This is the again another video which is working in the health sector. So from this video, what we have learned that AI has reached each and every domain, whether it is for cultural heritage, for earth, for climate change, for accessibility, for humanitarian action. So it is pervasive in all domains. We can see that through AI we can have the solution for each and every disease. We as one of the great doctor of US said that in during the video that there is those are the gone days where we are not left with a solution. Now we are living in an age that when we are having the ample amount of solutions for each and every disease, for each and every problem. So we are living in an AI world, and we have the solution for each and every task. Just google it, just go for it, and deep dive into the different domains, and you can find that there are different free softwares, free digital tools through which you can solve your own queries. So these are the applications, these are the further applications which are focusing in completely in education sector. So from these past few slides, we have dived down into the applications of AI by watching all the relevant videos. And from there we can realize that AI has become integral to our daily lives, impacting every industry in ways we never thought possible. From sports to construction, and from construction to education, AI is revolutionizing how we work and how we learn. So AI in education is also has also opened up new possibilities for learners and for all ages. So in this particular slide, these are few applications, and if we just go through these applications, just a minute. Okay, so this is the first Newton application. It is an adaptive learning platform that can provide personalized course materials to students. And by clicking this particular website, just a minute. Okay, I think it's not opening. Wait. So I will open all of these applications one by one. But before opening that, I will just elaborate what are these different applications and how we are using in our daily lives. So Newton is one of an adaptive learning platform which can provide personalized course materials to students. And you can also search that you can also search from yourself from your end that after signing up in this particular platform known as Newton, you can find different solutions for your students, for your learners, for your friends, as well as for your peers, whosoever are seeking the help in different domains. So the another application is the Dialog Flow. It is the Google powered chatbot development platform that can help educators create their own chatbots for various educational purposes. Next one is the Carnegie Learning. Again, it is one of an AI-powered math education platform that can adapt to individual student needs and provide personalized instruction. So when you sign up for the on this particular Carnegie Learning, you will find amazing solutions for each of your query. Now, moving forward, we will talk about the next tech giant, that is Google Cloud speech to text. So this is a speech recognition API application program interface that can be used to develop voice controlled educational applications. Next one is the Classcraft. This is an amazing platform. I will show you. This is actually a gamified learning management system that can help educators engage students and promote positive behavior. So Classcraft is just like a Google Classroom, but what we have faced that recently I have faced that the issue of the storage in Google, that it is providing that only 15 GB you can store. So when I was conducting the classes for the master students, at that time I was using the Google Classroom during, especially during the pandemic season. And after then I have faced that issue that uh, the storage issue I have faced, and found that this is the Classcraft. This is an amazing tool known as Classcraft, where you can engage your students. You can give their markings, give their credits, and you can engage them in any of the activity. And you can different assignments on for which we are giving. And all the activities we can perform on this particular Classcraft, as we were doing on the Google Classroom. So the next one is the OpenCV. It is an open source computer vision library that can be used for a variety of educational purposes, such as robotics and digital art. So whosoever is very much interesting in the coding and in digital art, so this platform is the best one for those, because it's an open source. And you just need to sign up, and you can use a variety of educational purposes, such as robotics and different digital arts. Now everyone is aware about the Kahoot platform. It is a game-based learning platform that can be used to create quizzes and other educational games. So I'm also looking about the no voice in video. Oh my God. Oh, so sorry. But I was able to listen the video. Okay, I will take care of this. So Kahoot is the another game-based learning platform, and it is an amazing platform where you can conduct the quizzes and play the activity uh, in any of the domains. So just So I'm opening all these platforms one by one. This is the Newton, which I have discussed with you. You just need to sign in. You can see that it is a product of the Wiley brand. And you just need to see that customized courses have been uploaded on this particular platform related to biology, chemistry, calculus, psychology, physics, math, stats. So this is the new platform which is using nowadays, and it is used for instructional content, instructional practices. And this is the another product of this Newton, new for higher education. Is Newton's newest product for higher education. Alta is a complete courseware solution that combines Newton's expertly designed adaptive learning technology with high quality, openly available content to deliver a personalized learning experience that is affordable, accessible, and improves student outcome. So from this particular platform, you can deep dive into the different courses. Now moving forward, this is the again another dialog flow, another Google powered chatbot development platform. You can also see. Hope my screen is visible to all. So this is the product of the Google. So it is for the it is lifelike conversational AI with state of the art virtual agents. So you just need to sign in with your own email ID, and you can create the amazing chatbots using this particular product, or using this particular platform. Now I have also mentioned that this Carnegie Learning, which is unlocking different solutions to the students, and you can explore your own solutions with your own. So this is the another platform which is very much renowned nowadays, and you can engage all your peers and all your learners in this particular activity. Now everyone is aware about the Google Cloud speech to text functionality. This is inbuilt in your computers also. So from this you can just transcribe your speech to text into action. So you just need to write down or select which language you want, and which is the who is the speaker. Just open it and just start, just upload your file, and it will transcribe your it will translate your existing file into whatever the language you are seeking. Now uh, uh, this is the another platform, class, which is known as Classcraft. It is just like the Google Classroom, where you can interact, where you can engage your students, and assign different assignments to them. So you just need to sign in, and you just create your own class, and just invite your students in your class, and just create a synergy between you and your students. So last one is the Kahoot, which is very much famous in today in since pandemic times, because during the pandemics, all were are engaged all were engaged in attending the webinars. So in that age, Kahoot was playing a great role to engage the participants to engage in the quizzes and in different competitions. So these are the different applications of AI which is prevalent in education domain, and I have already discussed applications of AI in different domains like AI in education, AI in earth, AI in health, AI in digital humanitarian. So in every domain I have discussed the applications of AI in education. Now moving forward, and if we are seeing towards the applications of AI in applications and benefits in of AI in education industry. So the first one is the personalized learning. So with the help of this AI application, we are having the benefit. We are having ample amount of benefits, and in this regard, the we are having the solution like personalized learning, because in nowadays not every student adapts to knowledge the same way as, and some because some students grasp quickly, whereas some need time. So this conventional learning system lacked the concept of customized learning for every unique student. So this is where AI in online education comes to the rescue. AI in the education sector ensures that educational software is personalized for every individual. Moreover, with supporting technologies like machine learning in education, the system backs up how the student perceives various lessons, various chapters, and adapts to that process to minimize the burden. So this blend of AI and education focuses on every individual's requirements through AI embedded games, customized programs, and other features which are promoting effective as well as personalized learning. So the next benefit is the task automation. So with AI in school education and virtual classrooms, the technology takes up most value-added tasks. So along with creating a tailored teaching process, AI solutions for education can check the homework, grade the test, organize research papers, maintain reports, make presentations and notes, and and also manage other managerial tasks or other administrative tasks also. So that is why businesses rely on integrating AI technology into their businesses to achieve daily goals. By automating everyday activities, AI makes the learning environment more knowledgeable, more inclusive, and more productive. So the next part is the smart content creation. So with the blend of artificial intelligence and machine learning. So with the blend of artificial intelligence and machine learning in education also help teachers and research experts create innovative content for convenient practice or convenient preaching and learning. So here are a few examples of AI smart content creation, like information visualization, like where traditional teaching methods cannot offer visual elements except lab tryouts. So AI smart content creation is stimulating the real life experiences of visualized web-based study environments, and the technology helps with 2D as well as 3D visualization, where students can perceive information differently in different uh, uh, gadgets. Now the another AI smart content creation is the digital lesson generation. So AI for education can help generate bit-sized learning through low storage study material and other lessons in digital format. So this way, students and experts can leverage the entire study material without taking up much space in the system. So moreover, these materials are accessible from any device, so you don't have to worry about remote learning. So you just need to upload your files in OneDrive and you can access your documents, your resources from any device and from anywhere. Just we need to have the internet connection. So the fourth one is the adaptable access. So the with the complete access to information, It has become possible for users to leverage the advantages of AI in education. So, recently, in a recent study projects that more than 60% of education businesses rely on artificial intelligence as well as on machine learning based education applications, which are supported by modern tools and features. And these features are like the multilingual support, which can help translate information into various languages, making it convenient for every native to teach and learn in their own respective language. So AI also plays a vital role in teaching visually or hearing impaired audiences. So AI has empowered the converter tools like presentation translator, provide real-time subtitles for virtual lectures. So this is all about the uh, fourth fourth benefit which we are deriving from the AI applications in particularly in education. So the last one is the determining classroom vulnerabilities. So it is one of the powerful AI technology which benefits in education and is maintaining a positive impact on our environmental footprint with remote learning. So, however, many experts believe AI will soon replace the human touch in learning. And nowadays, we are experiencing with the invention of ChatGPT, since which has invented in way back past in 8 months. So with the advent of this chat gpt age, we are very much scared that the jobs have been reduced, and we are in that mode that we do not have the support of humans. But this is not correct, because without humans we do not proceed further. And all the human intelligence is required in enabling the artificial intelligence, or I can say the human intelligence is required to empower the artificial intelligence. So um, moving forward with the next category, that is the it will also closing the skill gap. So in this regard, it will upskilling students, which is a valuable solution for businesses struggling with the technology gap. And with the blend of artificial intelligence and machine learning powered softwares and applications, it can deliver widely available and affordable opportunities for students to upskill. So this is not just limited to students. Upskilling and training the existing business workforce can boost morale and spark a company-wide commitment to improvement and innovation. And on top of that, the use of AI in the education sector impacts the learning and development arena by analyzing how people acquire skills. So as soon as the system adapts to human ways of studying and learning, it automatically automates the learning process. Now, the next one is the customized data-based feedback. So, as we all know that feedback is a crucial ingredient when it comes to designing learning experiences, whether in a workplace or in a classroom. So, the fundamental difference between effective teaching and mere giving out content is that effective teaching includes giving continuous feedback, right? And it is essential that feedback comes from the entrusted source. Therefore, AI in education analyzes and determines work reports based on everyday data. A data-based feedback system helps with student satisfaction, and it removes the bias factor from learning, and it also helps us to understand where our skills are lacking. So this feedback is tailored according to every student's requirements and employees performance. So we can also give the customized data-based feedback with the help of the AI based applications. And the next benefit which we are having in the education industry, that we can have the 24/7 assistance with conversational AI. So in this regards, chatbots are playing an amazing role These are an increasingly familiar example of how AI in education consumes data to inform and provide assistance accordingly. So this benefits both business professionals and teachers for users engagement in customized learning. So conversational AI in education delivers intelligent tutoring by closely observing the content consumption pattern and catering to their needs accordingly. So people worldwide opt for distance learning and corporate training courses where they don't have to take a break from their classes, family, or a job. So here AI chatbots can solve enrollment queries, deliver instant solutions, provide access to required study material. So that's why I have include this point that with leveraging the AI applications, we can have the 24/7 assistance with this particular uh, AI AI tools. The next part is the secure and decentralized learning systems. So the education industry is delivering rapid innovation with AI, but is often held back by issues like data protection, alterable data accessibility, outdated certification processes, etc. So, amidst all these challenges, AI based in decentralized solutions can bring a positive technical revolution to the education sector. For instance, Nova is a blockchain-based learning management system crafted by App Inventive. It is another company which is working in the direction of which is working in the direction of the AI, and it resolves the authentication issues prevalent in the education market. So this learning management system called as App Inventive is powered and backed up by the AI and blockchain technology, helping millions of teachers and students with data and information protection solutions. So we need not to worry about our data. We all are in the safe hands if we are going in the right direction. So the next part is you can find the AI in examinations also. So AI software systems can be actively used in examinations and interviews to help detect suspicious behavior and alert the supervisor. Any one of you have conducted or have attended any exam in the remote mode? Okay, so in that particular environment, what happens that the AI enabled software is already inbuilt in your systems, and the supervisor is there, is sitting remotely, and who is supervising your activity, your each and every action which you are performing because your camera is open. Not only this aspect, since your camera is open, so the remote based supervisor is able to track all your activities. No, it is not possible, but through this AI feature, which is already embedded in that particular software, which is required to install it before conducting for a particular exam. So there are few exams which are giving, which are already there, which are delivering by the Coursera, by Microsoft, by Google. So there are many number of examinations where the AI is helping the students as well as the supervisor. So the AI programs keep track of each individuals through web cameras, microphones, and web browsers, and perform a keystroke analysis where any movement alerts the system and it will reject your exam. So an AI-based software and application solution can be beneficial in more ways than one can imagine. So this is why educational technology startups and enterprises are attracted to AI technology, and even we also are attracted to AI technology solutions which are successfully addressing the wide range of users pain points. So therefore, if you are part of the professional education sector, it is officially time to integrate AI solutions into your education businesses, into your particular research work, into your article writing, or into your any of their task. So these are the 10 applications and benefits which are there in the education sector. Now, if we are moving forward, then we can see that AI use cases in education, and the key applications are the Google, right? So the Google AI applications in Google in education are transforming how students learn by offering an adaptive learning experience tailored to their individual abilities and requirements. So these are more through explanation of how a few top global or top brands are merging AI and education to create intuitive and groundbreaking AI based edtech applications. So this is one of the Google Classroom is a well-known tool that incorporates artificial intelligence to simplify several facets of teaching. So it also allows teachers to design and assign tasks, give feedback, and effectively control classroom interactions. So the Google Classroom AI algorithms can support automated grading, make individualized recommendations for learning materials, and examine student data to provide insights on their own performances and on their own growth. So another feature is the Google's Translate and Google Scholar. Google Scholar is another platform. It is basically a platform for the researchers where the researchers are uploading their own papers, and all the papers who are being indexed in different databases are automatically indexed by the Google Scholar, and it will highlight your H index, your citations, your G index, all your indexes you can see from your Google Scholar profile. So may I ask how many of you have your own Google Scholar profile? Thank you, Dr. Kherdi. I can see your comment in the chat box. So here I have asked that how many of you have your Google Scholar profile? Okay, so Sumit, you are having your own user Google Scholar profile. That's very good. You can update it. You can update it as per your publications, as per your research articles. And I strongly recommend you, all of you, that please today's task is to create your own Google Scholar profile if you don't have. So it is the very much important profile, which if you are a researcher, if you are wanted to become a prominent author, or if you are wanted to become a proficient writer, so this is the high time to market yourself, to market your profile, so that your learning, so that your knowledge, your writings can be proliferated throughout the country, throughout the world. So the today's task is to create your own Google Scholar profile. If you don't have Google Scholar profile, one of my participant is already having Google Scholar profile, and I really appreciate you that you have created your profile, and I believe that you will update your profile with respect to your publications. So it will also highlight or reflect your um, academic profile. Means how many publications do you have, how many research articles you have written, or in how many domains you have created your own identity. So this is the today's task which you need to perform, and tomorrow I will ask all of you that who have created their own Google Scholar profile. Because what happens through these workshops, through these webinars, we are just empower ourselves or to aware ourselves that we should have the cutting edge these platforms, these profiles, so that we can have our own identity. So in this regard, I will recommend to all of you to create your own Google Scholar profile, because these are the powerful tools that greatly enhance students and educators' learning and research experiences. And when I talk about the Google Translate functionality, language barriers are no longer an obstacle, right? As they provide instant text, websites, and even spoken language translations. So um, Google Translate as well as Google Scholar, these both are the vital tools which are used in education. And I again emphasizing that Google Scholar utilizes AI algorithms to analyze and index scholarly articles, research papers, academic resources, and making it easier for all of you, for all the students, for all the researchers, and for all the educators to find relevant and authoritative sources for their own studies, right? So the next one is the Duolingo. If you are very much energetic, or if you are very much enthusiastic to learn different languages, so this is the best tool you can install in your mobile phone also. This is the well-known language learning application, and it also uses AI to develop flexible language lessons. And artificial intelligence systems monitor students progress, spot areas for development, and modify the course content as necessary. So this application offers individualized lessons, vocabulary drills, interactive tests to support language learners as they advance their proficiency in different languages. And to add in efficient language learning, artificial intelligence also contributes to speech recognition, pronunciation feedback, and the creation of interesting material. So Duolingo is the amazing app which you can install in your own devices. Now the next one is the Coursera. So may I ask how many of you are aware about the Coursera? I hope most of you are aware about this platform, because this platform has provided n number of courses and number of different domains, which are courses in different domains. And the Coursera platform is very much helpful in if we wanted to become proficient in different domains, or in different uh, areas. So the Coursera utilizes again artificial intelligence to revolutionize online education with personalized course recommendations, adaptive learning paths, and automated assessments. Students can receive tailored suggestions and timely feedback. So this is the beauty of this particular platform, that the Coursera give you the tailored suggestions, that in which sector, or in what are your interest area, and as per your interest area, that it will recommend you the list of courses which are helpful or which might be helpful to you. So this also works on the basis of the AI algorithms, which can analyze users' preferences and performance data to suggest relevant courses, dynamically adjust course content based on learners' progress, and provide instant grading and feedback. So these AI-driven in features, or these AI-driven courses, these platforms enhances the learning experiences, and ultimately it will improve our engagement, and it will enhance our outcome in the education, in whether it be in traditional education, or we are seeking the online education. So these three platforms are doing the great in all these applications. The AI is already embedded in all of these platforms. So the first task of today's workshop is to create your own Google Scholar profile. if you are not active on the academia, or so just create your academia profile. I will give you the details in the next session. Tomorrow we will be discussing different tools or different applications which we can use from the different applications which are already installed in your systems. So from that particular system, we can have the amazing solutions for our own queries. So this is all about the uh, today's lecture. So if you anyone have any query regarding the applications or how to create the Google Scholar profile, so I can there. You can connect me through my LinkedIn channel. I am always available on my LinkedIn, and you can ask any of the query. You can seek any of the help from me, that how to create the Google Scholar profile, or how to create your Publons profile, any of your profile, which is very much essential. Because what happens in nowadays, AI is embedded, AI is pervasive in all the domains. Whatever you are doing, the digital footprints are there to tap your activities. So the platform is open now to all of you to ask your further queries, and you can contact me further if you wanted me any further help regarding the different tools, like what are the more different tools other than chat gpt. So other than chat gpt, I can recommend, I can give you different the list of tools which are very much helpful in your research work, as well as in your article writing or in your assignments work.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for listening so patiently. If you have any query, if you want me to explore on another domain, you can please suggest me in these 5 days workshop, because I am there to help you out in any of your query related to your research, related to your thank you so much, Saubhagyavati ma'am, for your response in the chat box. So tomorrow we will also be having in not tomorrow, in the next 4 days, I will be discussing different research tools other than chat gpt, because if you ask me personally that what is your feedback regarding the chat gpt, so for my own purposes, I won't use chat gpt for my own work, because what happens, it will hamper your creativity, it will loosen your cognitive skills, it will not allow you to think imaginatively. So do it at write your draft, write your first draft at your own, then you may take help of that particular platform, because this platform is just enhancing your writing, is not assisting you completely. Do not take complete help of that particular platform. I will recommend to all of you just to take the help of that, to give the directions to yourself, that in which direction I should go forward. Don't follow it completely, because there are various plagiarism tools also, which are already there in the market, which can be covered, which can be used in identifying different topics. So I will stop screen sharing, and you can ask me further questions. And Sobhagyavati ma'am is asking me the topics which will be covered in coming 4 days. So regarding that, the on the second day, I will be discussing the AI applications in research using MS Office tools, because what happens that in our system we already have all the MS Office applications, like we all are the professionals, right? And we all are the researchers or the students, and we all are using the Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. So these three tools we are using in our daily life. So I will be using this particular MS Office tools in tomorrow's lecture. And in day 3, I will be considering the ethical considerations in artificial intelligence, because we just do the copy and copy paste writing in our own area, but there are some ethics which we need to follow. So on the 4th day, I will be exploring digital tools for literature review and citation management. And on the 5th day, I will be discussing about the preventing and detecting plagiarism with digital tools. So if you are copying all your writings from any of the software, or from any of the website, but at the later stage, what happens that the plagiarism softwares will detect your writing. Because Turnitin, if we talk about the Turnitin software, Turnitin has also enabled the AI feature. It will encounter you that that this particular part or this particular paragraph has been copied from that particular uh, platform called as ChatGPT. So this is the problem. So that's why I will recommend you to use your own cognitive skills to just enhance your writing. Take the help of ChatGPT just to give you directions. I hope Subhagyavati ma'am, I have responded, and also the from Rafiq sir has already indicated the 4 topics which we'll be covering in the coming 4 days.
Hello, Priya ma'am.
Hi,
Uh,
your name? Okay,
yes,
Maloti.
can I ask one thing?
Yeah.
Ma'am, first of all, I want to say lots thank you so much for your attractive presentation. You have tell us lots of artificial intelligence and lots of about application. Can I say ma'am in Hindi?
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
मैम सबसे पहले तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपको, आपने हमें बहुत सारे जानकारी दिया और बहुत
शुक्रिया.
सारे हाँ एप्लीकेशंस के बारे में, हाउ टू यूज एप्लीकेशंस के बारे में भी बताया आपने. तो मैम आपने आज का टॉपिक तो था हमारा डिजिटल टूल्स फॉर एकेडमिक रिसर्च एंड प्लेगरिज्म डिटेक्शन. तो मैडम आपने
मैम आज का जो टॉपिक था वो था अंडरस्टैंडिंग द रोल ऑफ एआई इन वेरियस एकेडमिक डोमेन्स.
ओके मैडम. ओके मैडम, ठीक है. एक्चुअली मैं सोच रही थी मैडम, आपने टॉपिक तो आज वो दिया था जो हमें लिंक पे ज्वाइन करने के लिए दिया था, लेकिन टॉपिक तो कुछ और है, इसीलिए मैंने आपको पूछने के लिए.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं मैम. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप लोगों को समझ में आ गई होगी कि कितने कितने कितनी ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस है एआई की, नॉट इन एजुकेशन सेक्टर बट ऑल्सो इन अदर फील्ड्स.
यस मैम. मैम आप हमें ये इसके बाद वो भी भेजिए, पीपीटी भी भेजिए, शेयर कीजिए लिंक पर.
Okay, may I know in which organization you are working or currently you are a student?
या मैम टीचर्स आल्सो.
Okay, you are a teacher. आप टीचर हैं?
ये मैम.
Okay, in which school?
मैम कॉलेज.
Oh, great. So you are कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाती हैं आप?
मैम मैं हिंदी पढ़ाती हूँ.
अरे वाह, बहुत बढ़िया. तो ठीक है, कल मैं आपको और भी बताऊंगी टूल्स जो कि आपके हिंदी लैंग्वेज में भी बहुत यूजफुल है.
जी मैम, जी मैम, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है मेरी, बीच बीच में आप हिंदी में भी एक्सप्लेन कीजिए, हिंदी में भी प्रश्न कीजिए.
ठीक है, मैं कल से इस चीज का ध्यान रखूंगी कि आई विल यूज बोथ द लैंग्वेजेस. मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों का यूज करूंगी.
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू
थैंक यू
सो
सो मच. एनी अदर, कोई और किसी को कोई और सवाल पूछना हो तो पूछ सकते हैं आप लोग. सो मालती मैम, आप कहाँ से हैं?
मैम मैं आसाम से हूँ.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.
Okay, everyone. Thank you for coming to this wonderful workshop. regarding understanding of the role of the AI in various academic domains. I hope you learn a lot of things about the AI tools and various academic domains. So thank you very much, Dr. Priya ma'am, and all participants. If you have any query, you can contact me on you can mail Priya ma'am directly. So we will see you next topic on tomorrow, AI application and research utilization of MS Office tool. So thank you very much everyone for thank you ma'am. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच
Thank
सर।
you. Thank you guys. Thank
और
you.
मैं आप लोगों के लिए अपनी जो लिंक्डइन की हैंडल है वो यहाँ पे कॉपी पेस्ट कर देती हूँ, ताकि अगर आप लोगों को कोई भी दिक्कत आए तो आप लोग मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं कनेक्ट करके।
Okay,
आप
ma'am.
आप इस लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल पे जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस एंड यू विल सेंड अ रिक्वेस्ट और यू कैन कनेक्ट टू मी।
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
ओके,
Okay.
थैंक
Thank you
यू।
very much. Thank you. Thank you very
ओके सर,
much.
थैंक यू सो मच एंड थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू।
Thank you.